So check it out. My son-in-law printed out some open-air coaches for me, and so I painted them and then I put them together. I couldn't quite sand them as much as I wanted to. Those side pieces are very fragile, so I had to be very careful. I tried cutting off some of the, I don't know, it's kind of like spider webbing stuff on them. But then I also printed out some bunting on cardstock and put that along the upper sides, dress them up a little bit, painted them for the 250th anniversary of our country, and I also made trailing drumhead decals for them. There is a drumhead on each car. And then I added scale wheels. I thought that looked the best. And eventually I'll have a 250th anniversary WM Crooks for them. But for now I'm using this one because I'm still waiting, hoping to find a set of drive rods for the one that I've been working on. And so this one also has a sound of steam unit in the tender. I was able to shoehorn one in there using a Lionel board and the Marx actuator wheel. So we'll take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. I'll bring them by slowly so you can get a better look at the cars. So I got to fix the headlight in my Crooks locomotive here. Smoke unit works great though. Probably just a little loose wire back there. I got to repair. Maybe the headlight bulb is a little loose. I'm going to pick the camera up this time by and check out the drum head. And I'll set the camera back down over here. All right. The cars came out really great. I think they look good with the WM Crooks locomotive. And I found the file online. There's another guy on one of the Facebook pages that had printed some of these out, and I thought they looked pretty cool. So my son-in-law was able to print out 3 of them for me. I hope he'll print out I'd like to have a couple more of them, but I'm pretty happy with the ones I have. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget Jesus is Lord.